Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use trading bots on Kucoin. We'll cover setting up your first bot, understanding different strategies, and optimizing performance. Automated trading can help you capitalize on market movements around the clock. It's a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced traders looking to enhance their trading efficiency. Let's dive into the specifics of getting started. To begin, open the Kucoin app or visit their website and find the Trading Bot section. For newcomers, the Spot Grid Bot is an excellent starting point. You'll then choose a cryptocurrency pair, like BTC versus USD, and decide how much capital you wish to invest. The platform guides you through each step, making the setup process straightforward and user-friendly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, staying focused while trading requires good hydration. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've selected your bot, you'll need to configure its parameters. This includes setting a price range where the bot will buy low and sell high. The number of grids dictates how many trades occur within that range, impacting your profit per grid. Don't forget to explore advanced options like stop loss and take profit to manage your risk effectively. After launching your bot, continuous monitoring is key. Keep an eye on its performance, including your running profit and loss. Market conditions are dynamic, so be prepared to adjust your bot's parameters as needed. Sometimes, stopping a bot and restarting with new settings is the best approach, especially during major market shifts. This ensures your strategy remains effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.